Hello friends. Today's word is apoptosis. Apoptosis. Apoptosis is a type of cell death that is induced by a tightly regulated suicide program in which cells destined to die activate intrinsic enzymes that degrade the cell's genomic DNA and nuclear and cytoplasmic proteins. Apoptotic cells break up into plasma membrane-bound fragments, called apoptotic bodies. Apoptosis can be physiologic and pathologic. Apoptosis results from the activation of enzymes called caspases. There are two distinct pathways of apoptosis. First is the mitochondrial or intrinsic pathway, and second is extrinsic or death receptor initiated pathway. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.